Imagine waking up in a country in Southeast Asia with payment notifications on your phone from the work that you didn't even do, because an AI agent is consistently doing all of the heavy lifting, such as booking appointment, making sales call, or even deliver result for your client, keeping your business running on semi-autopilot. This is no longer a dream. Starting your own AI agency doesn't require coding skill, huge capital upfront, or teams of engineers. All you need is just a laptop, an internet connection, and the right setup. You don't even have to show your face on camera that much, because AI will do most of the selling and most of the talking for you.
And just so you know, I am actually an AI assistant calling you right now.
Did you say you work with Vico?
Yes, I work closely with Vico and the team. Imagine having someone like me working 24/7, handling leads, setting appointments, and following up all under your brand, logo, and even voice. Shall we dive into how this could work for you?
Sure, book me a time, 10 a.m. on Monday, Sydney time, Australia.
Got it. Vico's excited to connect with you. Can't wait to see what you will achieve next.
Look, let me just show you how to build this no-code AI agent from scratch. So first, I want to head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate me a list of businesses that is easy to reach out to and high ticket by nature. So on average, they should be selling the service about $2,000, so that they would have a strong and easy cash flow to pay for our services. This is very easy. We're just going to copy and paste this prompt and enter it to ChatGPT. GPT will do its thing and list a bunch of businesses. We can pick any businesses from here to target, but we're just gonna pick real estate agent for this example, right? So we're gonna ask ChatGPT to generate us another prompt here. I want you to build me an AI agent that's gonna be cold calling real estate agents in Sydney, Australia. So I want that Australian accent, and give this agent an identity. Let's give her a name called AJ, give her a personality trait, her style, give her tone, give her response guideline, also give her common cold calling objection handling. When calling real estate agent, the products we're going to be selling here is an AI agent that's going to help save this real estate agent time and money when it comes to answering text, email, or social media posting. The best part about our AI agents is that it's going to help them save money by replacing a front desk receptionist, which typically costs them 60 to 80K per year. So as you can see, guys, this is a free flow prompt. I'm just gonna let ChatGPT do its thing, and I'm gonna be using that to show you guys live how easy it is and how smart it is for this software to understand all of this and spit us a real live working AI agent. All right, it just finished. I'm literally just gonna copy and paste this without edit anything and head over to our software right here. You can see here, this is our internal software. We can put our own brand and logo on top of it. We're just gonna click create AI assistant. So there's a few options here, as you guys can see. One is generate your own assistant from scratch, and the other one is import with ID. But we're just gonna generate our one from scratch for now. We're just gonna name her AJ, and we're gonna give her a description, right? This is a cold calling bot to real estate agents, right? And then press generate assistant. Right now the bot is just doing its thing, and you can see AJ bot is being created right here. We're going to be clicking into this AJ AI agents, and we're going to head over to generate prompts and copy and paste the prompt that we had from ChatGPT, right? Reason for that is that we want our assistant to be a little bit unique, and it's going to do exactly as we say. We're just going to delete all the ChatGPT instruction here. So we're going to head over to Whitelabel and start a call.
G'day, AJ here with your company. Got 30 seconds now, or should I ring back later?
It's depend. What do you need from me?
Great. We help Sydney agencies handle text, calls, and socials automatically. The AI even books inspections. Most offices use it instead of hiring a receptionist, which usually costs between $60,000 and $80,000 a year. Worth a quick look?
As you can see, like that literally take us like a few minutes to set it up, and all we have to do is just copy and paste the entire prompt from ChatGPT and put it into the software. Look, guys, just to be clear here, this is not a tutorial video. The point of this demo is to simply show you how simple and quickly you can get one of these AI agents running. Obviously, there's other pieces involved, like connecting the bot to a phone number, working out compliances in your country, and lastly, testing the bot in a real-world scenario. Hey guys, my name is Vico Kang. I have been living in Southeast Asia for the last 3 years, and honestly, it has been one of the best decisions that I ever made, both for my career and my personal life. But it wasn't always this way. I was just like you, stuck in a 9-to-5 job, even worse, trapped in a family business that I absolutely hate. Like many people, I have tried different things to make an online income. I got into dropshipping or even MLM, multi-level marketing, and got scammed more than once from those gurus who tried to sell me course that they hadn't make it work for themselves. Fast forward to 2023, I was running what it looked like to be a successful social media marketing agency, but deep down I was burning out, so overweight, and was just super unhappy. And that forced me to pivot my business into selling software as a service instead, or you probably heard it, SaaS. More specifically, AI SaaS at this stage, artificial intelligence software as a service. And to your surprise, this has changed everything, because the AI agent that I just shown you costs us very minimal resource and time to make, but deliver massive value to our clients, which means the margin is insane, the workload is light, and the business is scalable in a way that service work just never was. Don't take my word for it. Sam Abhishek here from Clientele Solution, able to scale his agency to an average of 30K per month. I was able to meet him in Thailand, Bangkok. So fortunate. Karthik from Acquire One just hit 10K monthly recurring revenue from his first ever online business from just selling AI agents. Stu James here grew his media agency to pass 30K per month worth of recurring income. Just a quick disclaimer here, guys. The result that I share is not typical or guaranteed. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and I don't have any $1,000 course to sell you right now. In fact, our Skool community is free with all of the courses and the snapshots inside. Make sure you check that out also. But what I'm going to show you is how we're going to help you execute and launch your own AI agency from scratch and increase your chance of success in the next 7 to 14 days. Now, the first thing that we want to help you do is provide you with a white label platform. What that means is that you will get your own software with AI agent pre-installed with no coding or whatsoever, and it allows you to put your own name, brand, and logo on top of it so that you can resell these AI agents as your own products. The best part about it is that we include a dedicated module with a step-by-step video that's going to help you set up your very own AI agent and get it live in as little as 48 hours. Secondly, we're going to help you with client attraction. At the end of the day, guys, we have to make money from this. This is why we're going to help you package and create an irresistible AI offer that people feel stupid saying no to. This means we have to package and positioning our AI services in a way that increase its perceived value before presenting it to business owners such as real estate agent, chiropractor, or hair salon. And the number just worked out, guys, because we're charging business owner anywhere between 3 to 6K to set this up, with a follow-up of $297 to $497 to keep and maintain this automation and this AI system running for their business. And look, this is still a lot cheaper than what they used to pay for. And lastly, we're going to help you with what we call a RRR method, recurring revenue roadmap. This is where we're going to be providing you our plug and play system. You're going to get our automation template, what we call a snapshot, our copy and paste AI prompt that you can install to your AI agent straight away and get it up and running as soon as possible. You're also going to get our onboarding blueprint, which going to help you bring on new clients smoothly with minimal setup and upkeep. This means you spend less time managing and more time scaling. So what's still missing from here, guys, is the support and the community. We're gonna be giving you access to exclusive community with people who are on the same journey just like you. Some are just starting out, some are on their way to hit 10, 20, or even 30K per month in their business. And the best part, every week we're gonna have a weekly support call with one of our coaches where you can come in, ask questions, get feedback, and learn from the other member. And most importantly, our step-by-step no-code AI agent launchpad program. This program is designed to help you set up the software quickly, launch your AI agents in a matter of days, land your first client within a few days or weeks, and building a profitable recurring business model within months. Now, let me just take a moment to explain the pricing and the business model. The business model with this white label platform is that you're going to be locking in into a fixed price, and the platform will give you a reselling license with a certain number of a sub account. A sub account is basically a fully functional software account with all of the automations, AI functionality, and pretty much everything inside the account. Now let's just take HighLevel for an example. It's a platform that our AI software fully integrate with. HighLevel charge a fixed cost of $497 per month for you to have an unlimited sub account to resell to businesses. So what that means is that if you sell one sub account for $100, selling 10 of that would make you $1,000 per month, but your fixed cost is $497. Now, if we were to scale that to 100 clients, which make us $10,000 per month at $100 per sub account, your fixed cost still remain at $497. So hopefully you guys can see the point by now. This business model have a fixed operational cost and it have unlimited upside. You can theory make as much money as you want with $497 as a fixed cost. Now if you're still watching this, congratulations, you part of the top 10% of people who actually follow through and watch this video until the end. So here's my gift to you. When I first start my online business journey, I didn't have any guidance. Everyone would just try sell me course, and I was skeptical, and honestly it was scary. But I learned a lesson from this quote from President Theodore Roosevelt. He said, quote, "In any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing. The next best thing is the wrong thing, and the worst thing you can do is nothing." This is the cost of inaction, guy. AI is here to stay. The question is not if, but when. And with that, the choice is yours. I'll leave you to it, and hopefully I can see you on the other side. This is Vico Kang. Ciao.